Hi, everyone, and welcome to Friday's DIY Friday. You know, I was doing this segment for a while, y'all, and then I stopped. Uh, but anyway, let's get into this. I am coming to you guys today to just do a little talk about dressing up the cuff, okay? This is not going to be a DIY, guys, because this is so simple that I don't really have to show you guys how to actually do this because it's so simple. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, a couple weeks ago, I did a video where I was telling you guys how I was dressing up my cuffs. Okay, I started off with something like this, quite a few that look like this. And all you do, guys, is you go to a store. You can go to your local convenience store. You can go to Hobby Lobby, Joann's Fabric. Get yourself some cuffs and dress them up. You can use any type of embellishment that you have at where that you have. I have a couple of these that I have. They were brooches, and what I did was I took the back off of them and I made them. Made it a centerpiece for my cuff. Now the glue that I use for this. Now look at this. Check this out. This is E6000, you guys. This is the bomb.com. This right here is the bomb.com. You should always have yourself a couple tubes of E6000. It works. It's awesome. And that's all you do. That is all you do. You get your cuff. You don't make these. These come already made. And you just get your embellishment. You put your embellishment on there, and bam, you got yourself something really nice and really gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys just a couple that I made with this bling. I went to the dollar store, and this is called diamond wrap, and I know you guys, I know everybody out there is familiar with this. Okay, diamond wrap, real easy, real simple, guys. Now these cuffs that I'm getting ready to show y'all were plain, but I put the diamond wrap on there, and the diamond wrap gave it a whole different look. It looked like a whole different cuff. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You can make these cuffs, guys. You can also sell these cuffs. Okay, this is the blue one that I had, that I've done. I'm sorry, this is a silver one right here that I've done. And it's real easy with this bling. All you do is you cut out a piece of your bling that you're using, and then you measure wherever on your cuff. You just measure it. If you wanted to put a piece there, you would measure it. You will cut this piece, which is the size of your cuff. And then before you cut it first, and then you will place your glue in the area where you want it. And then you will put your piece right here. Now the way that I have this one is in between. This has spaces in between. So you would have to really eye it to make sure that the spaces are even in between. It is just that simple, guys. I also have it in this pink right here. Well, actually, this is fuchsia. But the cuff is gold, but this is fuchsia. And look at that. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So this was a request video. There is a lady that follows me she follows me on just about all my social media platforms. I'm on Instagram. I'm also on Facebook. And she requested that I did a DIY on this video, but I feel like I don't have to do a DIY because this is just so simple to do. I'm going to tell you guys also that no one else right now that I can think of is doing this. I haven't seen this being done. Now, I have seen cuffs that have this on there, but I am telling you guys, you can sell these because when you use this E6000, you don't have to worry about this coming off. If somebody literally don't sit there and pick at it or pull on it, it will not come off. It is permanent. Absolutely permanent. So I just wanted to come to you guys today just to give you guys something. Be on the lookout for Monday's DIY. It's going to be something. Well, actually, y'all know how I am about pom poms, right? So it's going to be the making of another pair of pom pom earrings. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Also, you guys have a wonderful, awesome weekend. Peace and blessings, y'all. Bye bye.